19. Okay. For 64 for 32 bit, so we need the 64 bit. Yes, it is downloading here. Okay, just so in folder, and yes, it's completed now. Yes, got it here. So just double click on the executable file. Okay, so here you can see Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022. So we need 2019 for install the MySQL workbench. It asks for the permission to download and install. Step successful. Okay. So now you just download the MySQL workbench again. Okay. All programs. Install. Okay. Now it is installing. So if in your system already Visual C++ is present, so this additional software need not to be downloaded and installed. But if it is not present, then you need to download and install this Visual C++ 2019 or 20 some versions. So it is downloading and installing the MySQL workbench. Just wait for some time. Okay, so it is depending upon internet speed, how much time it will take to install. So now it is finish installation. So click on finish. So in this way, you can download and install the MySQL Workbench. Now I'm just launching it. MySQL Workbench. Okay, so it is already launched now. So you need to connect to database. Okay. So in this section, you can write your SQL query, or you can create database, or any operations you can do in this section. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys.